So much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-wee! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and look at what's in my hand. Yeah, a unicorn! Wow, I love unicorns. Yeah, they kind of look like horses, right? But they're magical. Whoa! Do you want to draw a unicorn with me? Yeah, that sounds like fun. All right. First, let's start with the color black. And then let's draw an oval for the head. Whoa! And then, yeah, do you see its mouth and nose? There we go. And a big smile. And let's draw an eye. Whoa! And now let's draw a rectangle for the neck, just like that. And then a big body. So then we can make this unicorn fly later with all of its magic. Whoa! 2 cute ears, half circles, just like that. And then for the legs, unicorns have 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa! And what's this unicorn missing? Yeah, its horn. Whoa! Whoa! And look at that. Oh, it's coming from the top of its head. Yeah, and are unicorns black and white? Well, some are white, but all unicorns are colorful. Wow! Let's use some colors for the mane and the tail. First, let's take some purple. Whee! Whoa, there we go. Whoa, and then the tail. Wow. Whoa, and then let's take some bright green. Whoa, there we go. Wow, this unicorn is so pretty. Here's some green right there. Ooh, some squiggle lines. Whoa, and then some pink. Whoa, yeah, it's so magical looking. Whoa, I bet it's flying through the sky and noticing that the world below it needs some magic. Here it goes, woohoo! Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we make the horn pink? There we go. How does that look? What a beautiful unicorn! Whoa! If you love drawing with me and had fun drawing this unicorn together and wanted to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you like to draw? I do too. I have a great idea. Why don't we draw something together? Yeah! Well, what should we draw? Oh, a mermaid. That sounds pretty fun. I love mermaids. I've never seen one in real life, but they're pretty cool. Yeah, it's half human, half fish. What else could you ask for? Not a whole lot. All right, let's draw the body, which is, yeah, half fish. All right, let's go like that and do an arced line like that. Whoa, yeah! And then for the tail, there we go. Whoa, I bet this mermaid can swim super fast. Okay, now let's draw the human part. Yeah, here we go. Let's just do a little thing like that. So then we show a little section between the fish and the human. And then we need the shoulders of the mermaid. Oh, let's go in just a little bit more for the neck. And then a big circle for the head. Whoa! And then 2 small circles for the eyes. And a big smiley face. Yeah, because she's so happy to be a mermaid. Whoa! And then let's go like this for the hair. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, there we go. Whoa! What a beautiful mermaid! And then let's draw some fins for the arms. There we go. Whoa, what a beautiful mermaid. She's just hanging out in the water, swimming around, enjoying life. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever played on a playground outside at the park? Wow, isn't it so much fun? I love swinging on the swings. Hey, why don't you and we draw a swing together? All right, I'm gonna start with the color black, And I'm gonna make, yeah, it looks like the smile on a smiley face. Whoa, but I'm actually making the seat just like that. And I'm gonna do 2 of them. Whoa, yeah, it also kind of looks like a banana, huh? All right, then let's do 4 vertical lines just like that. All right, now let's draw the start of a square. Don't connect the bottom. And then let's draw 2 diagonal lines. And there it is. There's a swing. But hey, what's at a park most of the time? Yeah, a lot of grass. Whoa! What a beautiful swing set. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Whoa, I'm climbing up a ladder. I'm acting like a firefighter to save someone. I'll come help you. Hey, why don't you and I draw a ladder? Ladders are so useful. Yeah, for firefighters. So then they can get up to the top of the building and help people. Or maybe you're a painter and you need to get up really high to paint the ceiling. Whoa. All right, to draw a ladder, let's draw a diagonal line just like that. Whoa. And then another diagonal line just like that. And watch this. We'll do 2 more lines right next to them. And then if you make an arch up here, an arch right there, 1 at the bottom, 1 at the bottom. Now they're really long ovals. And then if we draw some horizontal lines, just like this, that is what you use to step on. Yeah, those are the steps. I sure do love drawing. And if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Remember that one time we got to hang out with Bowie the rainbow and learn about rain? Yeah, that was so much fun. Why don't you and I draw Bowie together? All right, I'm gonna take black and draw some lines like this to make clouds. There we go. Yeah, there we go. And we need 2 big arches like that. Whoa! Yeah! There we go. And now, 2 circles for his eyes. There we go. And a big smile because he is nice and happy. There we go. We can't forget about his eyebrows up there. And then his arms. Whoa! Yeah! And his hands right up there. Whoa! Whoa, Bowie was so fun, wasn't he? Whoa! I sure do love drawing. And Bowie, you're fun too. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye, Bowie. Bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you want to know something I do every morning when I wake up and every night before I go to bed? Yeah, I brush my teeth. Whoa, it's very important to keep your teeth nice and clean. And today, you and I are gonna draw a tube of toothpaste. All right, to do that, I'm gonna use green because it's gonna be mint toothpaste. All right, so I'm gonna draw a straight line down here, straight line right there, straight line up there, and watch this. I'm gonna kind of do an arched line right over there. And then I'm gonna continue that to make it an oval. And then I'll make another line like that, and then some vertical lines. Yeah, and that's how you screw off the top. And down here, we'll make that a very wide rectangle and some vertical lines right there. Wow! And when you brush your teeth, you make your teeth nice and happy. So I'll draw a tooth right here. Whoa, very happy tooth. Thank you so much for brushing my teeth. All right, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. I was just acting like a lion. Yeah, lions are just very big cats. Yeah, do you know someone with a cat as a pet? Yeah, a house cat. But lions are way bigger. And lions even have a mane, the male lions. I have an idea. Why don't we draw a lion together? All right, I'm gonna take the color brown and draw a big poof. Yeah, look at this. Doesn't it kind of look like a cloud? Whoa! But actually, that's gonna be the lion's mane. Yeah! And check this out. Let's draw a half circle up here, a half circle up there. Ooh, there we go. Do you know what those are? Yeah, it's gonna be the ears. Check this out. Let's draw a circle right there, a circle right there. And look at that! Whoa, doesn't it look like a happy cloud? Well, this actually isn't the smile. That is its jawline. So fierce. All right, so let's go like this. Whoa, whoa! Color that in real quick. And that's gonna be the lion's nose. And actually, lions can smell really well. And what they can also do really well is roar. They can roar so loud, you can hear it so far away. Okay, and check this out. Whoop, whoop. There we go. Whoa! Now, does that look like a lion? Yeah, a very cute lion. Wow, it looks so fluffy, right? I know! Wow! If you love drawing with me and had so much fun drawing a lion and want to draw more together, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, so much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout. Blippi!